Find the limit as theta approaches infinity of the polar equation r of theta equals theta to the fourth plus 5 over theta to the 10th minus 10. Now, before you start freaking out and begin wondering how the heck you're going to graph this thing, don't worry about graphing it. The way you treat a polar equation as the limit approaches infinity is the way you would treat a normal old equation with x's and stuff like that. As theta approaches infinity, I only care about the leading terms. So theta to the fourth over theta to the 10th. That simplifies to 1 over theta to the sixth. The limit as theta approaches infinity, where my degree in the numerator is higher, is always going to equal 0 no matter what. So that's not going to change just because this is a weird looking polar shape that is going to spin inward and eventually hit 0, which is what's going to happen here.